If it feels like the real estate market in North Houston has hit a stalemate, you are not imagining it. It's February 2026, and while the headlines are buzzing with national trends, our local reality is something I call the inventory standoff. We have a generation of homeowners in the Woodlands and Conroe sitting on record-breaking equity, but they feel locked in by their current mortgage rates or the fear of where they will go next. Today, I'm pulling the curtain back on the latest HAR data to show you the numbers behind this standoff, and more importantly, the 4 strategic paths my clients are using to break through it and move into their next chapter. I'm Bren Brewer, your favorite realtor, and let's get into it. So let's look at the numbers straight from the Houston Association of Realtors. In the Woodlands, our median sales price is now $615,000, up from $582,000 this time last year. But here's the number every seller needs to know: 84. That's the average days on market right now. In Conroe, we're seeing a median price of $299,250, also up from $283,000 year over year. What does this tell us? Values are holding strong, but the process has slowed down. The standoff happens because homeowners are staring at that 84-day wait and thinking, I don't want to live in a show-ready house for 3 months with my kids and my pets. This friction is what's keeping inventory low and keeping you stuck in a home you've already outgrown. Now, before we get into the solutions, we have to address the elephant in the room. What is your specific home actually worth? In 2026, real estate values are incredibly hyper-local. A house 3 streets over might have sold for a premium because of a specific school zone or a recent renovation that yours doesn't have, or vice versa. If you want a real-world look at your equity, scan the QR code on your screen and head on over to brenbrewer.com. It's not going to be just a computer-generated guess. It's going to be the first step in our strategic analysis of your home. All right, so the first way we break the standoff is our Move First, Sell Later program. This is for my clients who value privacy and peace above all else. We utilize specialized lender programs that allow you to buy your next home using your current equity before you ever list your current house. Imagine moving, getting settled, and then letting my team come into prep and sell your previous home while it's vacant. No 84 days of showing, no last-minute cleaning, just a seamless transition. Now, next is the bridge strategy. If you find that perfect home in Wood Forest or Montgomery and you need to act fast, we can structure a bridge loan or a specific HELOC that covers your new down payment. This is going to allow you to make a non-contingent offer. In a market where high quality listings are still seeing multiple offers, being non-contingent is the difference between winning the house and being left behind. Now, third, let's talk about the rate fear. Buyers are sensitive to monthly payments right now. Instead of dropping your price by $20,000, which often goes unnoticed, we recommend a rate buy down. You as the seller provide a credit that lowers the buyer's interest rate for the first 2 years. This makes your home the most affordable option on the block without having to slash your home's value. It's going to protect your equity while making the home irresistible to buyers. And finally, for those who want the traditional route, we specialize in precision back-to-back closings. I pride myself on our ability to sync these timelines with surgical precision. We coordinate lenders, title companies, and the movers so that you sell your old home in the morning and close on your new home in the afternoon. We handle the complexity, the stress, the paperwork, so you only have to move your furniture once, and it's about certainty in an uncertain market. 2026 market doesn't have to be a standoff. Whether you want to buy first, use a bridge, or execute a perfect back-to-back closing, we have the tools to make it happen. Head on over to brenbrewer.com to start your journey, and let's see what your equity can do for you this year. Again, I'm Bren Brewer, your favorite realtor, and I'll see you next time.